Do you want to do this? Or this? The instant twisted is one of the hardest techs to master, but I've figured out a way to do this consistently with only a press of a button. For this to work, you would need TG Macro. First, open your browser and search TG Macro. Click the first one that says TGM Gaming Macro Download. Click Download and wait a few seconds. Once you finish downloading, open Files. Go to Downloads and click the compressed folder you just downloaded. Double-click the TG Macro file and extract all. Click Extract and open the TG Macro application. Once you've opened TG Macro, it should look like this. Now go to the link in the description, click Download Instant Twisted. Once you've downloaded the file, open TG Macro. Then click File and Load Project. Select the Instant Twisted file and open it. I binded the macro to C, but you can toggle that to whatever keybind that suits your comfort. Once you're done, click Save. Go to the bottom left corner and click Enable. This will run the macro. Now there you go. You can now do the most efficient tech that many find difficult with a press of a button. A tip for doing this is to be slightly tilted to the left of your opponent and click W together with the set keybind. This took a lot of effort. So if you could, join my community server in the description and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.